Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to change Jeep Wrangler tail light full guide. Start by parking on level ground and removing the cargo mat to access the rear panel. Remove 2 screws and the inner plastic trim to expose the tail light bolts, then loosen the bolts and pull the assembly away gently. Keep the wiring harness connected until you can access the bulb socket and inspect the harness for corrosion. In this video, I will show how to change Jeep Wrangler tail light full guide. After loosening the bolts, pull the assembly straight out to avoid snagging the body seal. Twist the bulb socket counterclockwise to release the bulb, and test the old bulb socket with a multimeter if the new bulb does not light. Clean any green corrosion with a brush and dielectric grease to protect contacts and ensure a snug fit. In this video, I will show how to change Jeep Wrangler tail light full guide. Quick recommendation: when you're done, keep parts and snacks organized in leak-proof containers that seal tight and stack neatly in your trunk, making post-repair lunches effortless and mess-free. I love how they save time and cleanup after greasy jobs, and they double as a parts tray in a pinch. Check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to change Jeep Wrangler tail light full guide. Reinstall the bulb socket and seat it firmly, then reconnect the wiring harness and test brake, turn, and reverse functions. Align the housing with the body tabs and hand start the bolts to avoid cross-threading, then tighten evenly. Finish by replacing the inner trim and cargo mat, and take a quick drive to confirm everything works under load.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.